There's a billion-dollar war going on in Africa. No bullets, no tanks, just data. Tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Huawei are racing to dominate the continent's digital future. By building data centers, controlling cloud services, and locking in infrastructure contracts that will shape the internet for a billion people. This isn't about helping Africa get online. It's about owning the pipelines of tomorrow. Let's rewind. In 2019, Microsoft Azure made the first big move, opening enterprise-grade data centers in Johannesburg and Cape Town. Their goal? Corner the market early and embed their cloud services into government agencies, schools, and local businesses. Microsoft wasn't just selling servers, they were installing themselves into the public sector. In 2020, Amazon Web Services followed with its own regional infrastructure, also in Cape Town. AWS targeted Africa's exploding startup and fintech ecosystem, offering cloud tools to power banking apps, e-commerce, and AI. Amazon knew what was coming, a mobile-first continent generating massive amounts of digital data. Then came Google. In 2022, they dropped a $1 billion commitment to African infrastructure, highlighting a new data center in South Africa and their crown jewel, the Equiano subsea cable. This cable runs from Portugal down the west coast of Africa, landing in Nigeria, Namibia, and South Africa. It's built to increase internet speeds up to 5x faster and reduce costs by 20%. Google isn't just plugging Africa in, they're laying the digital highway themselves. But the most aggressive push might be coming from Huawei. The Chinese tech giant already built over 70% of Africa's 4G infrastructure and is pushing hard into 5G, smart cities, and, you guessed it, data centers. Huawei is building facilities in Kenya, Nigeria, Ethiopia, and beyond, often in direct partnerships with local governments. Critics say it's not just about cloud storage, it's strategic influence. This isn't just a Western versus Eastern standoff, though. African companies are stepping in too. Terraco in South Africa, Main One in Nigeria, and Raxio Group across East Africa are fighting to keep infrastructure in African hands. But the capital gap is real. Global giants are pouring in billions, often outspending local players 10 to 1. So why does this matter? Because data is power. Right now, a huge chunk of Africa's data is routed through servers in Europe or the US. That makes internet slower, more expensive, and most importantly, less sovereign. By building on the continent, Africa can host its own data, strengthen cybersecurity, and grow its tech economy from within. But letting big tech control that infrastructure means giving up leverage. Whoever builds the servers controls the future. Simple as that. And that's exactly what this is, a future war. Over $1 billion is being funneled into African data centers as we speak, and the pace is only accelerating. This isn't just about storage. It's about control of e-commerce, AI, banking, education, and even politics. So next time you open an app, stream a video, or make a mobile payment in Africa, remember, it probably passed through someone's billion-dollar bet on who will own the internet here. And that war? It's just getting started. Subscribe to Balance for more raw intelligence stories at the intersection of tech, power, and the future.